Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Alex and Nate and their families, I'd like to thank you all for being here today and being a part of this very special day.
We're together. I hear music. You got me singing, sing it out. And it goes like...
Nathan, I've thought a lot about what I want to say to you on this day. I had a really hard time trying to put into words how to thank you for making me a better person in every aspect of my life. From your calming and reassuring presence to your one-of-a-kind sense of what you call humor and everything in between, I am truly grateful for the man that you are and to have you as my partner through life.
Alex, I can't believe this day is finally here. I'm so happy to be standing here in front of all of our family and friends professing our love to one another. These last 7.5 years that we've spent together feel like it's gone so fast, and yet I can hardly remember what our life was like before us. But you know what? I'm perfectly fine with that, because I love the life we made together.
There are times when I feel trouble, when life rains on my parade. But you come running.
Yeah, you look amazing.
You chase all those clouds away. And it goes like, ooh la la. I like the way you move.
As we start this next chapter in our lives, these are my promises to you. I promise to love you, to support you, and continue to grow with you as we take on life's wonderful moments and moments that are difficult. I promise to always try to make you laugh and smile as much as you make me laugh and smile, and to remember to not take life so seriously all the time. I promise to try and remember to screw the cap on all the way on my seltzers, so when they inevitably get knocked over, they don't spill everywhere. Not saying that's happened before. Most of all, I promise to try and always make you feel as loved and appreciated as you make me feel each day.
I like it when I'm with you. I feel so free, like how it ought to be. Baby, I'm in love with my best friend.
I promise to always make you dinner on the days you work well into the night because you're cramming 2 weeks of work into 2 days. I promise, I swear we didn't coordinate this, I promise to always help you clean up after the all too frequent seltzer spills caused by scaps that aren't screwed on too tight.
I like the things you do.
I promise to love you with all my heart and constantly remind you how beautiful you are. And lastly, I promise to always be your best friend. I love you more than I could ever express in words, and I can't wait to see how the rest of our life together unfolds.
By the power vested in me by Universal Life Church in the state of New York, I pronounce husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Honored I am to be standing up here at two of my best friends' wedding. You see, I was friends with both Nate and Alex separately before they became a couple, and it's truly something special to see how long they've been together and to make this commitment to one another today. Alex, we've come a really long way since being lab partners 10 years ago and you called me John for 3 weeks. And you know, I actually just learned Nathan's favorite thing about you, Alex. And it's how, when you get excited about something, you just can't control your joy, and you hop and you bop around in glee. And I'm glad you now know how I feel every time I hang out with Nathan, and you get that the rest of your life.
When people talk about soulmates, they're talking about you two. The amount of love, respect, and admiration you have for each other is unmatched. Having known Alex for the past 20 years, I can honestly say I've never seen her so happy since you met Nathan. I look forward to many more life stages together and watching you two as your love continues to grow and evolve. Cheers to forever. filled out this questionnaire. The last question, he had to list what his favorite attributes were about Alex and what he found so attractive about her. He obviously listed that she's beautiful and she's smart, but he also said, and I quote, "is the annoying way that everyone tends to love her and I'm just the guy with Alex."
From just friends to just married, let's throw it.